the family. I go to war with my family. Ups and downs, wrong or right, this family. They think that we crazy. They say that we crazy, can't handle it.
Bunge? Bunge? Ah, Papa, don't come back. You're welcome. Thank you. Please, keep this chair here for me. Sit down by your mama. She there inside. She's inside. That woman, my wife for her. Please keep this back and call her. You and her. You guys will come out.
Ah, Papa, this one with the same man come, Mama Lemu come, so I hope say all is well, Papa.
All is well. Call your mother to come out. No, stop asking me no nonsense question.
Okay, Nanto. You say so. Mama? Mama? Papa don't show you. Say, call you.
My husband don't come. Husband. Welcome.
I don't know.
Please hold your greeting. Do you know why I called for this meeting this afternoon?
No.
You know that you and your son, I love you people so much, ba? No, if you don't know, me, I love you people so much. You and your son.
Papa, hold it. Love where? Love. Papa, you love us. Now you don't leave us here. You don't even ask us whether we don't chop this afternoon. You don't ask us. Nobody the love. You love us. Now you know if you pay my school fees, Papa. You know if you pay my school fees. Now you make me say that I drop out from school. See as I did now, my mates, all of them don't go school. See area they cool.
Keep quiet there. You there. You keep quiet. You get money.
Why you go keep quiet? You call yourself police officer. Why you go keep quiet? You don't fit train only your son.
Papa,
how much are they collect?
How much you dey collect?
You know if you help me.
Your mate dey train their children for school.
By the way, that's not what I call you people for.
So,
what is that? Your mother here, she's a witch. Your mother here, she's a witch.
Papa, where you?
That's why if I collect money, I don't know where my money will be going. My money will be disappearing in this house. Your mother is a witch.
You dey hear your father, they call me winch.
See, Papa,
you don't look at,
Papa, no, I'm not gonna take this one from you. What are you telling us? Malena?
Now that pastor, not be that pastor call me this afternoon. They tell me say see your mother for vision. Your mother is a witch.
You see your life. All these end time pastors. Now then you go follow your wife. Now somebody go there outside there go tell you say she be witch and you go agree, Papa. Papa, me I no go see. I no go take this one from you. I no go ever take them. I
don't even want you to take it.
You know?
So you and your mother, you are leaving this house today.
Okay, Papa, try it and see.
You are leaving this house today.
Try it, Papa.
You are leaving this house today.
This man don't dey do. You know, Papa, you dey do the jump. You go collect, oh, Papa. Okay now.
See problem. Your father they call me winch.
Me, I don't talk am, Mama. One this man if not, I go put am for him body, oh. Talk. Because me.
Now since you say I been winch though.
No.
Accept I been winch.
Why you go say you be winch? For how long we don't dey here? For how long? Wait. Papa.
See any of you here. I'm coming. One of you.
Mona want this man, Mona want am.
Wetin me I get?
If I start now, they go say I don't start. Mona want this man. Mona want this man. What is that? Papa. Idiot. Never say anything.
No be pastor tell me to say your mother.
What did pastor tell you?
Now pastor go tell you what you go do.
Now pastor will tell you something, you go follow and you go
follow. Pastor get mind, they tell you say me. They winch you.
You never say anything, Papa. Why you never say anything? Carry this bag, go inside now. Carry on.
You and that your pastor.
Carry on. See,
what of now useless?
Carry this bag, go inside. Carry on, go inside.
Now be useless.
Pastor, I have ruined my family.
Why you tell me your family, idiot?
Pastor want to destroy my family.
Go carry on, go keep inside by yourself. Carry on. So now you carry on, come outside. Take it inside. See you. We even manage you as father. You know that.
Don't mind now. Say pastor. Pastor kwa. Mona see me see problem oh. See problem. I sit down my own come back. My husband come say me I been winch.